Sorry guys, this spelling test should have happened yesterday, but for some reason, I was completely blonde and I forgot. So we'll do it today for last week's words. Number 1, scrubs. Nan scrubs her hands with soap. Number 2, screams. The baby cries and screams. Screams. Number 3, scratch. The cat likes to scratch the chair. Scratch. Number 4, scrape. Scrape the mud off your shoes. Scrape. Number 5, screen. There is a screen on the window. Screen. Number 6, spread. Juan spread peanut butter on the bread. Spread. Number 7, splash. She made a splash in the pool. Splash. Number 8, spray. We will spray the plants with water. Spray. Number 9, streak. The team was on a winning streak. Streak. Number 10, strength. Her strength opens the door. Strength. 11, strong. Can that strong girl lift the rock? Strong. Number 12, squeak. The mouse made a tiny squeak. Squeak. Number 13, 3. The boy has 3 toys. 3. Number 14, throw. I will throw the ball to the dog. Throw. Number 15, thread. Buy a needle and some thread. Thread.